Boss Rizvi back at you guys. I wanted to show you guys my Corvette and what I'm planning on doing with it. I have ordered a kit from eBay. It's a Zo7 body kit. It is in carbon fiber. It is for my Corvette Zo6. As you can tell, the car is bone stock at this point. It's very dirty. And I'll be doing an unboxing video for you guys. You take a look. There's the kit right there. The kit is purchased from eBay from extremeonlinesports.com. Haven't seen the build quality yet. It says it comes with pre-drilled holes. I'll open up the camera in a little bit, grab the boxes, and we'll do an unboxing and take a look at what this looks like. These are the the four boxes that came with the kit. The top box here looks as if this is the front splitter in carbon fiber. These are the winglets. There's from the store I purchased from. This is not a shout out to the store or anything, just giving you guys information in case you guys are looking to purchase this kit on your own. It costs roughly $1,500. There's different prices because the kit comes in a carbon fiber flash. It also comes in a full carbon fiber and a APC plastic. This here looks like it's the side skirts right here. This looks like the rear spoiler, stage 3. This is just the trunk thingy for my Porsche Macan. And this is the front splitter. We'll take this one first. And give it an open right here in the middle. This will work. Alright, so here's the front splitter. We're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. This is my fancy box cutter, as you can tell. I hope I don't cut the chairs off. Don't hate on me, I'm using one hand and recording at the same time. And not trying to make too much of a mess at home. Okay, here you guys go. It's very light. Here's what's on the box. It is fragile. And we have more tape. Oh, I got an idea. Here's the reveal, guys. There was a reveal. So what it looks like inside. It's tape. Okay, so that was horrendous. But we managed to get out the splitter. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these tapes out and then I'll show you a close-up. This is the front splitter. You can tell it comes in a pretty piece of foam protection. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of it and slowly try to reveal this for you guys. Pretty light. I would say about 2-3 pounds. Alrighty. Here you have it. This is the front splitter. As you can see, the holes, they're pre-drilled. We might need to do some additional drilling. Alright, let's see what it's going to look like in a bit. I'll make another post about the installation of this. The weave is really nice and clean. I hope you guys can see that. Alright, forgot to mention, it comes with a instruction manual for installation. A few screws and stuff inside. All right, on to the next one. Okay, we're on to the second box. This right here seems like the shoes I bought, but it is for the front splitter. These are the leaflets that go on the side of the car. All right, family, let's go ahead and unbox the Extreme Online Store front splitter winglets. Alrighty, for the review. Ooh, pretty. This is the front splitter. This looks like it would be on the passenger side. This part here connects to the front splitter itself. This part back here is in the fender, behind the fender in the wheel well. And direct installation is going to be easy. All right, there's an additional piece for the driver's side in the box. You know, I want to give a lot of love to these guys. Remember, this is not them. They're not asking for any of this. It's nice to see body kit come with good installation instructions and hardware and pre-drilled holes. You know, when you're gonna spend $1,500 on a body kit that is not OEM, it's good to see that the Aftermarket has good support. And this seems like a very reputable company, and it's not bad. Right, that was 2 boxes done. Which one? Let's get the rear spoiler first. Got my handy dandy box cutter here. This is the unboxing of the Stage 3 rear spoiler. Stage 1, 2, and 3 Stage 1, 2, and 3 don't have that much of a difference. It's actually the same kit with additional pieces added onto it, and I'll explain a little bit. I believe they sent me another lip spoiler to serve as the foundation of this wing. The Z6 actually comes with that piece, so I might not need it, and maybe I'll give it away to one of y'all. Just leave a comment down below and we can do a giving away video. You know, I really don't know what's the big deal of unboxing videos, but I sure enjoy watching them. Okay, first thing I notice, an envelope. In the envelope, looks like a template. This template will most likely be used if I do not currently have a spoiler already on my car, which I do, so you know, maybe I'll send this with the free gift I'm talking about. I think the free gift will come if I have over 100 subscribers. So don't forget to hit the smash button. Wait, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and press all the buttons you see on your screen. Okay, this is considered the Stage 2 winglet. This piece here is in carbon fiber. This is a beautiful piece. This looks like it's going to be for the driver's side rear spoiler. As you can see, all the parts are pre-drilled. Carbon fiber has good weave. Both sides are well done. The opposite side is right here. Whoa. This piece here looks like the wing itself. You guys all know what the lip spoiler must look like. I don't think I'm going to open it in case I'm going to give it away. I'll show you on the Corvette what the lip spoiler actually looks like. Time to show you what the actual spoiler looks like on the Corvette. You see this here? This comes with the 1LZ package on the Z06. You see these holes here? This is where that second stage will go, and I'll have to remove all of this here. I'll explain more later, but this is what the factory spoiler comes with, and I will be giving the additional one away. And here's the final piece. This is a plastic mirror that goes between the both winglets on the stage 2 rear spoiler. It's actually a lot of work. I must say the taping is freaking awesome. Looks very well protected. All right. Third part. This is called a C7 Stage 3 wicker bill. It's probably backwards. Installation guide. Pretty good. And this is the actual product. It's a piece of plastic, wicker bill. You see how it comes in these adjustable points here. And it also comes with, looks like some spacers. We would be using the existing screws on the back of this piece. Alright guys, last but not least, this is the side skirts, which I'll be unboxing for you guys for the Corvette Z06. Who got time to open this so pretty? This is the side skirts. I hope. Alright guys, this here is the side skirts, as they already say it's the side skirts. I can already tell it comes with some double-sided tape. Wow. The scissors are pretty much done. Comes in this piece of plastic. I'm gonna go ahead and remove. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and move this down so you can see. Two pieces of carbon fiber, pre-drilled side skirts. See it? Alright, both right and left piece. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment on how would you like me to grow this channel. I'm going to be bringing different things such as car washing, installation of this body kit, some more vlogging, maybe I'll do some cooking as well. I hope y'all enjoy. Thanks for joining the family, and speak to you soon.